how y'all doing? If you happen to just be browsing and run into my channel, please like and subscribe, and welcome. And to all my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm gonna keep it in the fall, Thanksgiving-ish moment. So today I'm gonna be working with some sweet potato. I'll be making some sweet potato. So guys, here are my ingredients for today that I'll be working with. Some sweet potato, my puff pastries, some Philadelphia cream cheese and egg, coconut sugar, flour, cinnamon, ginger, vanilla extract, and vanilla powder. This is optional, and spray for my pan. And so these are our ingredients for today, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, so right here I have a cup of mashed potato already boiled. I just mashed them, and this is 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I'm gonna do a 1/4. Cinnamon, a 1/4 of ginger, and a little less than a 1/4 of vanilla powder, with a 1/4 of vanilla extract. I'm just gonna combine this together, guys, and then you'll see my next step. Okay guys, let's get to our next step. So guys, you need 2 pastries. Okay guys, so you need a 3-inch cutter. So guys, you need 1 teaspoon, just a teaspoon of your filling, because these are little mini bites. Brush the edges with your egg wash so it can hold properly. And then guys, make sure it's at the side, and you just seal. So okay guys, our next step, come on down. I'm greasing my pan. So I'm gonna put a little extra egg wash because we want them to be nice and brown. So now guys, we're going to put them on our grease can. Now guys, we're gonna use a knife just to make a little hole so you don't have it oozing out. You just need a little hole in it. Then we sprinkle with a little bit of sugar. Okay guys, with our oven set at 425, we're gonna bake these little treats for 15 minutes. Okay guys, we're at the end of another segment and I'm here to present my tiny little sweet potato bites. So those are my potato mini bites, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And as I tell you guys, these are just perfect for the upcoming holidays, all right? Great little treats. As you know, I feed the mind, the body, the heart, and the soul. So today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 64, verse 10. The righteous shall be glad in the Lord, and shall trust in him, and all the upright in heart shall glory. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, trust that an ending is followed by a new beginning. So no matter what's going on in your life, if it seems like it's the end of the road, something new is about to happen. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Enjoy your treats and bye-bye.